probeer sonder die lokker, maar ek moes hom aansit.
Okay, so that means if you had a problem with the locker, I must have a problem as well.
Definitely.
Jy het nog alles swybaar is daai bo. Ja. Wat sê jy hierso? O, disconnect. So druk jy een knop wat plus vir jou doen. Jy trek hom op vir reer en
Have you ever wondered what it feels like driving a level 5 hill climb with vehicles fitted with lockers and one without lockers? In this video, we showcase two vehicles going at it on the same level 5 hill climb.
en jy kan hom krop.
The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is driving with his front and rear lockers engaged and its sway bar disconnected.
Ja, nee, ek moes gee.
It is in its most off-road capable mode. The Jeep runs on 35 by 12.5 R17 Mud Terrain tyres.
20. Hy het net 20 weet.
Ek dink hy is bietjie styler onder.
Dis so cool.
As we crawl calmly out on this hill, the Jeep barely loses traction at any time.
Mooi kameras. Ja.
Ja, nee, ja, kom maar. Maar kan jy hom stoor? Of is dit jy?
Okay, I'm going to give it a try and see what happened.
The Toyota Land Cruiser 80 series is an old school solid axle 4x4 and one of the most iconic off-roading vehicles ever made.
But we'll see how it goes.
It's fitted with 315/75 R17 Mud Terrain tyres, which come in at around 34.2
I
inches.
might just be lucky and find
The 80 series only have a limited slip differential to assist with traction,
Can I apply a little bit more?
crawling until it comes to a halt at the rock step, where it loses traction.
Bump hom, Japie, bump hom.
At the point where the 80 series loses traction, the lack of locking differentials is evident. The loose rock makes it hard to find traction, and I had to keep the pressure on the fuel. This is definitely a much more fun factor that engage you all the time on a
I'm going to give a little
level
bit more
5 like
momentum.
this.
Otherwise we're not going to make it. Like here. Alright, 80.